Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Rocky Linux on VMware workstation. Open any browser and go to Rocky Linux official website, that is rockylinux.org. We have the option to download, that is click on download. Here we have two types of architectures. One is x86 64 and ARM 64. Here we have different types of options. One is minimal, DVD, boot, torrent and checksum. If you go through the minimum, then at the time of installation you should have internet. It is always better to download DVD. Click on DVD or use the torrent. I am going to download by using DVD. Once I click on download has been started. Its size is 9.2 gigabytes. See, it takes time to complete the download. If you go through torrent, it will take less time. Just click on torrent link. Now click on this torrent link, or you can resume the normal ISO download. Just click on this torrent link. These are the files it is going to download. Just click on add. Notice here download speed is high when compared to normal ISO download. This may take time. I am pausing this video until download completes. Once download completes, then we will start the Rocky Linux on VMware workstation. Once download is completed, then open VM workstation or download and install VMware player. Once you open VMware workstation or VM player, click on file and new virtual machine, or just click on create a new virtual machine. Here we have two types of options. One is typical and another one is custom. I am going with typical and then click on next. Here we have three types of installations. Installer disk, that is we have to mount downloaded ISO file to DVD drive, or we can use ISO file. Third one is install operating system later. Go to downloads. See, we have downloaded Rocky Linux 8.4 version for the 64-bit and DVD ISO file. Select it and click on open. Then click on next. Here type is Linux and version is, select other Linux 3.x kernel 64-bit and click on next. Provide name as Rocky 8.4, which means 8.4. Provide the path for Rocky Linux files and folders. Then click on OK. Then click on next. Here we have to provide disk size. Here I am giving 40 gigabytes. Then click on next. Here by default memory has selected as 768 megabytes. I am changing it to 4 gigabytes by clicking on this customize hardware. Then here give 4096 or move this point to this 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. The memory has been changed to 4 gigabytes. Then click on finish. See, until now we have created a virtual machine, but we haven't started the installation process. Now click on power on this virtual machine to start the installation process. Put the cursor inside the machine, use up and down arrows and select install Rocky Linux 8 and press enter. If you want to bring the cursor outside, just use Alt Control. See, cursor has come out. Again, if you want to keep cursor inside, then just press on the blank screen. See, we are unable to move cursor. Just use Alt Control to bring cursor out of virtual machine. Now select the language and click on continue. I am going with default English and English United States. Then click on continue. Now select the installation destination. If you don't select, this begin installation will be grayed out until we have select this installation destination as well as we have to set the root password. I am going with default installation destination. Click on done. Then set the password for root account. Now click on done. Once we have selected installation destination and root password, this begin installation is now clickable. Also, if you want to select software selection, just click on software selection, server with GUI, server or VMware install, workstation, custom operating system or virtualization host. I am going with server with GUI. Then click on done. These are the additional softwares. You can select anyone by just clicking check boxes. At present, I am going with defaults. Then click on done. If you want to set the time zone, click on time and date, then select it and click on done. I am going with America, New York. These are the defaults. Now click on this begin installation to start the Rocky Linux installation on VMware workstation. Process has been started. I am pausing this video until this installation process completes. In between, anywhere manual inputs are required, then I will resume and I will show you the options. See, download is completed successfully. Now we have to reboot system just by clicking on this reboot system. Now click on license information. Just check this. I accept the license agreement and click on this done button. Then create user creation. And select make this user as administrator. Then click on done. Once we accept the licensing information and user creation, then click on finish configuration. Click on username, then provide the password. Now select next, skip this one and click on start using Rocky Linux. Close this one. Now go to activities, then click on terminal. Let's verify installed Linux distro is Rocky Linux and its version cat/etc, then OS-release C. We have installed Rocky Linux 8.4. Rocky Linux and its version is 8.4 Green Obsidian. Its family is Red Hat Linux Fedora. Okay, in this video we have seen how to download and install Rocky Linux on VMware workstation. The same steps can be applied on VMware player as well. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.